Hi guys, welcome to Nam's channel. Today we are going to make this Valentine's Day magnetic heart-shaped keychain together. So let's start it. So first we need to do a magic chain just like this, and then put our hook into the hole. Yarn over 1 second to do 1 chain. In here for our first round we need to do 6 single crochet. We put our hook in the hole, yarn over, go through 2 loops. This is our very first single crochet, and if you are new, remember put a mark in, and then we need to do 5 more single crochet for this round. So after finish the 6 single crochet, we put this end, close the circle, and then take up the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. Then we'll do 1 chain to start our next round. For the next round, the pattern is our single crochet increase. We put our hook in the very first stitch. We can put this end on top of a hook to carry it, and then yarn over once again to do 1 single crochet. Remember to put a mark. So single crochet increase means in the same stitch we need to do 2 single crochet. So we need to do 1 more single crochet in the same stitch here, yarn over, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. We just repeat it 1 stitch, 2 single crochet to the end. So after finish the very last single crochet increase, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. We do 1 chain to start our next round. For this round, the pattern is our single crochet around. We put our hook in the very first stitch, yarn over, go through 2 loops. In here, we put a mark, and then we just do 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, repeat it to the end. After the last single crochet, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. In here, we do 1 chain and then snip off. We need to do 1 more of this, but for the second one, we don't snip off. This is my second one. After finish the very last single crochet from the third round, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly to do a slip stitch. In here, we need to connect those small parts together. We find the slip stitch place is here, and then we put our hook in just like this. In here, we yarn over, and then pull our hook directly to a slip stitch. Then we do 1 chain, and in the same stitch we do a single crochet. We put our hook in here, yarn over, and then go through 2 loops. We can put a mark. This is our very first stitch for this round, and then for this round the pattern is our single crochet increase. We just do 1 stitch, 1 single crochet to finish this round. So I finished 12 single crochet for this part. Now we can just jump to here. We put our hook in this stitch and do single crochet, yarn over here, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. Then we just continue do 1 stitch, 1 single crochet to the end. After finish all the 12 single crochet for another part, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start our next round. The next round, the pattern is our single crochet around. We put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Remember to put a mark in, and then we just do 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. Just repeat it to the end. So after finish the very last single crochet, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook directly. We do one chain to start our next round. For the next round, we need to do 4 single crochet in the very first, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. This is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. Then we need to do 3 more single crochet. After the 4 single crochet, we do 2 single crochet increase. We put our hook in the middle of the stitch, just like this, and do it one more time. For the next stitch, put our needle in the center of the stitch, and then yarn over here. Go through 2 loops at once. This is a single crochet decrease. We need to do one more. Put our hook in the center, and another one in the center. Yarn over, go through 2 loops. After the 2 single crochet decrease, we need to do 8 single crochet. 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. After the 8 single crochet, we need to do 2 single crochet decrease. We put our hook in the middle of the stitch, the next one, the middle of the stitch, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. And in here, we need to do one more time, middle of the stitch, yarn over, go through 2 loops. And then we need to do 4 single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. And then take off the mark. In the mark place, put our hook in, yarn over, and then pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start. And now we need to do all single crochet around for this round. We put our hook in the very first stitch, yarn over, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. So this is our first single crochet. Remember to put a mark. Then we just do 1 stitch, 1 single crochet for this whole round. After finish the very last single crochet, we take off the mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in, yarn over, and pull our hook directly. In here, we do 1 chain to start our next round. For next round, we need to do 3 single crochet first, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, and this is our very first single crochet. Remember to put a mark, and then we need to do 2 more. After the 3 single crochet, we need to do 2 single crochet decrease. We put our hook in the middle of the stitch, the next one, the middle of the stitch, yarn over, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. We need to do it one more time. Put our hook in the middle of the stitch, then the middle of the stitch, yarn over here, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Then we need to do 6 single crochet. 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. After the 6 single crochet, we need to do 2 more single crochet decrease. We put our hook in the middle of the stitch. For the next one, the middle of the stitch. And here we yarn over, and then yarn over, go through 2 loops. We do it one more time, the middle of the stitch, and then middle of the stitch. Yarn over here, go through 2 loops. Then we need to do 3 single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. After the 3 single crochet, we take off our mark. In the mark place, we put our hook in and yarn over. We do 1 chain to start our next round. In here, we can use a hot glue to glue the magnet. Just be sure you test it before you glue it in. After glue it, we continue crocheting. And here in the very first stitch, we do a single crochet, put our hook in, yarn over, go through 2 loops. And then remember to make a mark. And we do 1 more single crochet in here. Then we need to do 2 single crochet decrease. We put our hook in the middle of the stitch, and then another one middle of the stitch, yarn over, and yarn over, go through 2 loops. In here the same, middle of the stitch, and one more time, middle of the stitch, yarn over here, and yarn over, go through 2 loops, and then we need to do 4 single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet. So after the 4 single crochet, we need to do 2 single crochet decrease. Put your hook in, and then in the middle again. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, and I will update weekly. After the first single crochet decrease, we need to do 1 more, and then we do 2 single crochet, 1 stitch, 1 single crochet, and then take off the mark. In the mark place, put our hook in, yarn over, and pull our hook directly. We do 1 chain to start. In this step, we can fill it, and then it's our very last round. For this round, we do all single crochet decrease. We put our hook in the middle of the stitch, and then the middle of the stitch, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Remember to put a mark, and then we just repeat it. After the very last single crochet decrease, we take off the mark, and we put our hook in, yarn over here, and then pull our hook. In here, we leave about this long, and then we snip off. Now we're going to close it. So we put our needle in the first stitch, only half of it, and then we skip the last one, and then in the third one, and then skip one, and then put our needle in the last one. In here, we pull it, then put our needle in the center of this a little hole, and then we just go through it a couple of times. So this is all about today's video. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions, and thanks for watching. I will see you next week. Bye.